Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you the new AI for Photoshop, the generative, if I can pronounce that word correctly or not. It's really cool. I'm gonna make it quick. Let's just take a sample image. Um, so the first thing is, let's just say you want to make it wider, for example. That's the first one, because you want to use it as a Facebook cover, whatever you want to print it out. So let's just say, click C for crop. I'm using Windows, by the way. Just say, you're gonna go like this. This is my first time trying this photo, actually. Enter. Go up here, select the marquee tool, just select where you want it to be done. Let's say this part here, and then let me just put my face. Oop. Okay, and just hit generative fill. Can we just call it whatever, fill for now? And then you don't have to put anything. You could put whatever you want on this side, or let's just say you just want to expand it, make it look the same. Just hit generate again, leave it blank. Just wait a few seconds. Maybe more than a few seconds. And maybe more. And a bit more. That's crazy. There's a bit of a mess up here. It is my first time trying it, so let's just see if this works. If we just do this, just trying it. Never done it before. Hopefully it doesn't screw it up. We could fix that with Photoshop ourselves. I'm just trying to make it as simple as I can with the AI, so let's see. Looks a bit better actually. Well, looks much nicer. Let's try it again here. Generate again. It's not taking that long. Just being impatient, to be honest. Should be patient. Okay, wow, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. So now let's just say we use the lasso tool. I don't know what we could remove, to be honest. Let's say we want to remove. Let's say we don't. I don't know. Make this bench shorter. Not shorter, sorry. Less wide. Okay, generative fill. Remove the bench. Generate. It's gonna look weird because she's sitting on a wider side on the right side, but we shall see. Oh, that actually does not look bad at all. Okay, and then we got. Let's say we want to. Oops. Control Z. Let's say we want to add a kayak here. Add an. Let's say orange kayak. Generate. It's not bad. Not crazy good, but we could just go through samples. Could also be my fault. Actually, I might have made it too small. It's not proportional. Let's do it bigger. Bigger area. Sorry, I'm recording on Lumen. I have to double click. Put an orange kayak. My prompts are very descriptive, as you can see. Definitely not, but the more descriptive you are, the more it helps. I'm just trying to make this faster for you guys, so it's not a 20-minute video. Not so bad. Actually looks nice. That actually looks really nice. I like it. And the lighting and shadow is absolutely terrific. So, guys, this is pretty easy. I mean, and you can just play. I mean, with the colors and everything. I'm not any sort of color expert or anything like that, but just maybe make it fix the curve a little bit, make it a bit brighter. But looks really nice, honestly. Anyway, this is what I came up with till now. See you guys.